There was a boy in small village who loved cats. Once he found a lonely cat, the pussy cat, in a decent bamboo forest. He took that cat in his hands and gave some food to that cat. He then took that cat to his home.
Welcome to a world where your wildest imaginations come to life in vibrant, three-dimensional splendor. Creating 3D cartoon animations has never been more exciting or accessible, thanks to the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. You can make thousands of dollars easily. Let's take a journey through the process of bringing animated characters and fantastical worlds to life with the help of AI in just 5 simple steps. Step number 1. Every great animation starts with a brilliant idea. Begin by brainstorming your concept. What story do you want to tell? Once you've got a storyline, sketch out a storyboard. Here, AI can help you. Ask ChatGPT to write you a story about a boy he lives in village and loves animals. AI will do it in seconds. Let's go, buddy. See, ChatGPT is generating you a story. Here is a story that ChatGPT has generated. Oh, it's so long, you need to pick your lines of meaning. Step number 2. Ask ChatGPT to write prompts for the scenes. Now go to ChatGPT and write it there. ChatGPT will generate you prompts for each scene. Look, it's so simple. Isn't it? Now, as ChatGPT has generated prompts for each scenes, you need to generate images and video clips for each prompt generated. Step number 3. Create scenes using these prompts from ChatGPT, and for this you will be needing AI tools and software. Confused? I will teach you how. Go to hyper.ai. Here is the interface. You will need to sign in with your Google account for free. The interface will look like this. Now copy those prompts generated by ChatGPT and paste it here. Select the aspect ratio. This will take some time and generate you with different images and videos. You can see that these prompts are now being converted into images and videos. This is so simple and amazing. Thanks to AI, cheers, buddy. We can generate as much images as we want to. You can download the image or video and repeat the process for each prompt. Set back and get relaxed, put on your headphones and listen to a nice music. Step number 4. Now this is main step. Combine these images and videos and create a video clips. For this we can use any editing tool. As you can see, I am working on to combine these clips and videos to make a complete video for you guys. Add these clips and images in your desired manner. Add some fonts, etc. in this as well. This is a slight preview. number 5. Now, this is the final step. You need to make a voice for all of what you have done. You can record your own voice or write a script and convert it to voice of any character to like. There are different voiceover tools, but I would suggest you to visit elevenlabs.ai. You can see the interface here. Here you can write your own script and convert it to voice, or you can also record your own voice. Here you can change the voice to what you like. There are different voices. You can generate the voice by clicking on Generate Speech. You can download the generated voice from here. Now add the voice to your recorded clips.